Oh, my God. Are you seeing this, Judas? This is the guy that, you know, you're contacting all the time. I mean, like, really?
What the potion?
What the potion?
So we can say that and get away with it without the censors, like, shutting us down.
Now it's time for your main event of the evening. Scheduled for one fall and on his way to the ring, the Pitbull, Shawn Carson.
I didn't even see the British thing. I was thinking about like the Wizard of Oz. Like the OEO guys, you know.
OEO.
Yeah, I see the British shit now.
Of course, this match made last week
That's right.
by Judas Pope.
And his tag team partner, your SOM champion, James Anthony.
We're going to have to watch them steps.
Yeah, they've had a lot of issues last couple weeks.
They've already broke one.
They call Bob the Builder and come and fix that.
You got to wonder if James Anthony at some point in time is going to be part of these pit bulls.
I don't know. You know, you never know what's going to happen in business and in friends and in love. You never know what happens, you know. Hey, wait a minute. What was that? Anywho.
Maya Ferrari seems to be interested in that.
I'm a person of observation. I pick up on these things. It's kind of strange. Speaking of strange, here he is.
And their opponents. Yela Man and RT3.
Wow. This is going to be a great main event right here.
It is. We'll talk about the match that RT3 and Anthony are going to have for the Paul Morton Cup here in a minute. But you're right. There's a lot of things going on right now. And I think if I was Dallas, I'd watch my back out here.
Well, I don't think Dallas is going to have much of a problem because he's out here with that ball bat. Of course, this is the second week in a row that James Anthony's came out here with that ball bat. Shawn Carson just begging him to get in the ring.
Okay, here we go.
Here we go. We're starting it off right here. Are you seeing what I'm seeing right here?
Yes, I am.
Maya Ferrari seems to be watching James Anthony a little bit more than
her
partner.
Mr. Carson over here. She's actually playing with the title. Did you see that?
Yeah. We're going to have to find out a little bit more about that one.
Well, you're the investigative reporter. You find out about it, man.
I'm going to have to talk to her after the show. Oh, there we go. James Anthony and Shawn Carson trying to take a timeout. I don't know if anybody's informed him, but there is no timeout.
That was a yellow bomb.
Oh, my God, I felt that from over here.
Yeah, I saw it, man. That was a yellow bomb. He came flying out of nowhere. I don't know if that's Boogie Woogie approved, but he did it.
School of Boogie Woogie has been representing. Yela Man throwing him back in the ring.
Carson got the worst of that little deal.
Giving the tag to the former champ, RT3.
Oh, here's these guys. Everybody's been waiting to see these. They just get together.
And, of course, at the Paul Morton Cup, you know, they came out here last week. You know, you were right in the middle of this contract signing for RT3 versus James Anthony at the Paul Morton Cup in a strap match. And RT3 showing that he could just walk around the ring with James Anthony. Well, but James Anthony does not have that kind of
look at the size
leisure there.
I mean, that really shows you right there. You know, I mean, just call it is like it is.
I mean, it's going to be one of those things that James Anthony is going to have to rely on his speed and quickness, and he's really going to have to hope that he has a very solid plan.
And he better hope that RT3 makes a mistake. He'll have to have all those things going in his way.
Tagging back in the Yela man. Yela man and James Anthony, no stranger to each other. That's how this match got started last week.
Oh, that's right here. Here we go.
Shawn Carson gets tagged in. Again, none of these guys in the ring are strangers whatsoever.
No, they're not. They all know each other all too well.
And the thing is there's not one person in that ring that couldn't go for any title in this company.
That's correct.
Including James Anthony's title.
That's right. Or Foshi's title.
Or Foshi's title.
Or the East Tennessee Championship of the World.
The East Tennessee Championship of the World.
Yeah.
And I'm still waiting to hear what's going to happen with that one and the tag team titles at the Paul Morton Cup. They're really the only two that are, you know, that are not locked in at this point.
Well, that's why the fans really like nights like the Paul Morton Cup. There's so many things that are answered. There's so many things that are created and just surprises out there. I mean, you never know. You never know.
I mean, do you think Judas is going to return that night?
I never know. I wouldn't say that could not be a possibility.
I know that you're a little bit more informed than I am when it comes to Judas. He won't answer my emails.
Either.
I don't know why, but he doesn't seem to like me very much.
Oh, look at this. He just set him up like a doll. Oh, wait a minute.
The two guys that are going to be in that strap match.
Fly.
James Anthony fighting back. Going for a cross body, got caught. Oh, nasty power slam by RT3.
That's a 2 count. But like you said, this strap match is going to be something off the chain too. Literally. Hey, wait a minute.
And you know, that's one of the great things about being at the School of Morton. You know, we are a tag team school.
That's right.
We are founded by tag team champions.
That's right.
By Hall of Fame tag team champions.
That's right.
Ricky Morton and Robert Gibson. The Rock and Roll Express.
And not only that, but Bobby Eaton from the Midnight Express, Jim Cornette, everybody that you can think of, the Briscoe brothers, the Road Warriors. This is what we do here at SOM. That's
absolutely,
it.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
And the more these guys are together, the more crisp they get. I mean, we've shown that time and again. You know, last week.
Oh wow.
That 6-man tag team match.
Craziness.
The Pit Bulls looked awesome.
They did, like a unit.
They looked awesome. And you know me, I don't agree with their methods.
But you're right.
You can't deny the results.
Because they were a little sloppy a couple weeks ago when they lost the titles.
Yeah.
They've refocused.
Speaking of.
The Yellow Man saying refocused. I mean, he's kind of been all over the place. Oh.
Shawn Carson putting the boots to him or putting the Nikes to him. Going with those nasty stomps. Shades of the legend killer there.
That's right. And hands of stone, Ronnie Garvin.
And Ronnie Garvin, absolutely.
The Garvin stomp. Hey, Joseph, turn around, buddy. There you go.
James Anthony trying to keep Yela Man down. Up. And here goes Maya Ferrari.
Oh, and
earning her keep.
a little leg action there, too. Ow.
Maya Ferrari seems to be way interested in this match. She's more interested in it than she usually is, I think.
Yeah, something's off, right? I mean, can't put my finger on it.
Oh, my God. James Anthony.
Cut him off.
Shawn Carson coming in. Oh, my God. A little payback right there.
Just a little bit. But the champ is in control.
Shawn Carson.
Wow.
And here we go. Dallas Moore paying the rent. Shawn Carson. Yela Man needs to get out of here. He needs to get that tag to RT3.
Bad part of town.
Here we go. Another nasty double team move. James Anthony with the 2 count. Yela Man's real close to getting a tag right here. What's James Anthony doing? Oh, he's just taunting him. Reach for him, RT3. Oh.
Oh, Yellow. It's bad for Yellow.
And there you go. Shawn Carson just jumping all over him. Fans are not happy about that one. Here we go. Yela Man in so much trouble right now. But here we go with the Prime Pitbull. Showboating and hot dogging.
Don't win matches.
That's the wrong place and the wrong person to do that to.
He even tried a blind tag. He didn't get
Both guys down. RT3 trying to will Yela Man back into this match to get over to him for a tag. The crowd is going nuts.
It's crazy time here.
They want Yela Man to get that tag to RT3. If he gets that tag, this place is going to explode.
Oh, yeah, it will.
And there it is. Oh, RT3 out of the corner. Boom, boom.
Oh, he's breaking him down.
Here they go. Throwing the tag team. Oh, and RT3 just breaking it. Oh, my God. What a double clothesline by RT3. And there's that razor blade spine buster by RT3 to James Anthony. Oh, my God.
Oh, man.
Action all over the ring here. Street sweeper by Yela Man. Wow. Maya Ferrari, what's she doing up on the ring apron? Talking to referee Joe. Uh-oh. my God, what did he just hit him with? RT3 is out, but he kicks out of it. He kicked out of it, folks. That was only a 2 count.
I see that, I see. They tried everything, we know that. Everything
Wow.
they could possibly try.
The crowd's going to lose their voice tonight.
Yeah.
RT3,
They're telling
crowd
him to
getting
get up.
behind him. James Anthony setting him up. Oh my God! A spear out of nowhere by RT3. It's over, folks. Wow! RT3 out of nowhere. He just pinned your SOM heavyweight champion
In a non-title match.
in a
In a-
non-title match.
In a
but
tag team match, but still.
here in
nevertheless,
just a few weeks at the Paul Morton Cup, it's going to be for that title.
it's gonna be mono a
It's
mono.
going to be a strap match. It's going to be big news any way that you look at it. We're going to pack the building. We're going to pack the Chucky Dome. And this place is going to go absolutely nuts at the Paul Morton Cup. We are out of time here.